good enough, and now you want to say who you are. And
what are your thoughts around PMI becoming involved in the Agile space?
My thoughts around PMI becoming involved in the Agile space. I think it's a necessary thing. My understanding is that 65% or some rough number like that of the members of the PMI are involved in software development. I firmly believe that Agile is a better way to build software. I also believe that frameworks like Scrum will be absorbed into the Agile, or to the project management body of knowledge. I've been predicting that for a number of years. I think that some of the unexpected things that I predict will happen will be the impact that Agile will have on the PMI, and that the way that traditional project managers view their role and how they accomplish that. I think it's going to be a two-way impact, not only within software development, but the role of a project manager as a whole. I don't know how long that will take, but that's where I see it going.
What are your thoughts regarding defining a set of good practices for the Agile certified practitioner?
I'm a yes and on that. And what I mean by that is that I am concerned that potentially these definition of good practices will be taken as rules rather than guidelines, which is not part of the empirical process that we utilize in Agile. I am concerned that there will be some misunderstandings with people coming from a traditional project management background that will fall back onto old ways of thinking, continue to think that this is a linear thing, and first I do this, then I do that, then I do this, and they will try to make this fit with their current paradigm rather than shifting paradigms. That being said, I do think it's necessary that PMI step into this space. I hope that the PMI, the Agile Alliance, the Scrum Alliance can all actively work together for the betterment of the community. I am involved in all three organizations, and I want to help ensure that we stay true to the values and principles of the Agile Manifesto.
What trends are you noticing in the Agile community?
One of the things I'm noticing, I was just mentioning to someone actually, where we have an Agile adoption and transformation stage for the very first time at the conference here, which indicates that there's a larger number of people that are interested in working in these areas. I'm also seeing in my own classes and consulting, I'm seeing where we're focusing much more on the teams are doing well, but what does middle management need to do? How does Agile translate to how middle management interfaces and does their work? I'm seeing the average age of the people in my classes is going up. I'm getting more and more of the middle managers, senior managers coming in to learn about this. But I think that's going to be an interesting trend. And a lot of PMPs.
As Agile software development crosses the chasm, what are the major challenges you see facing the community over the next couple of years?
Among the major challenges that I see is staying true to the Agile values and principles and empirical process control, the inspect and adapt, and not moving into a rote set of here's how you do this. I also see the ripples of change that occur within organizations are going to be challenging as more larger organizations and large enterprise enter into this space. I am concerned that we are able to make this transition without losing who we are, both as a community and what we do, how we do it, and I'm looking forward to participating.
What are your hopes and wishes for the future of the Agile community?
I love being part of this community, and I don't want to lose it. So I hope that we stay a community. As part of the Agile Alliance board, I'm working to help promote people to develop a sustainable, humane place to work, and that's what I really want for us. I want us to stay there, in making the world a better place, which is very, very, very up there. But making the world a better place through better ways of work, transforming the world of work is a real thing to me. One person, one class, one team, one organization at a time.